Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm going to be doing a nice little kind of simple, elegant glitter design that just kind of popped into my head, and I honestly love it. I think it's going to look great. But yes, I'm going to be doing this design. It's not overly complicated, and it shouldn't take a very long time. I'm also going to be discussing my 10K giveaway because I finally have everything all sorted out and ready to go. So we'll talk about when I'm going to do my live and what the giveaway is going to entail and how you are going to enter. So first, I'm going to go ahead and do my nails. So let me tell you the colors I'm going to be using today. I've got Revel's Amore, Stormy, and Pillow Talk. I do remember I have a code for Revel right now. It's good until January 20th. Melissa10. It will get you 10% off from Revel Nail one time. You can only use it one time per person. But don't forget about that if you're going to be ordering something from them. Okay, so I'm going to just put the solid colors down. I think I'm going to be doing the glitter here, my design here, gray, Amore, gray. I think that's gonna work. I am going to do one layer of Amore under the glitter because I like to put a layer of solid under a chunky glitter to try and only keep one layer of glitter if possible. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start dipping out the colors and then I'll get into the design. Okay, so I got the solids down. I did one less dip on this nail because we are going to be adding some more, like some glitter on top and then some clear, and so that's going to add more bulk. So we want that to be a little bit thinner to start off with. And now I'm going to be doing the glitter on this nail, the chunky. I have one dip of the solid as a base. I'm going to be using my little dipping container here. It's got some glitter love on it, but it's fine. And just pour some out in here. I love this little thing because if nobody has seen me use it before, it allows you to really kind of, when you tap the glitter, you can kind of have some control of where it is when you put it on your nail. Give it a tap, like flatten it out, and then you can make sure that you get some nice coverage on there when you put your nail in. So I'm going to go ahead and do just one coat of this glitter on this nail and hope that that is enough coverage. Okay, I'm just going to do some clear over the top of that. Okay, I'm just going to activate and file all of them nice and smooth. Okay, those are all filed and buffed. Now I'm just gonna do like a little bit of a glitter accent over this nail. I'm going to be using Pillow Talk for this. I am also going to be using some gel base here just because it is so much easier to have time to work with the powder and work with the glitter and make sure that it's placed where you want it to be. Okay, it's not perfect, but I'm gonna be kind of moving the glitter around and making sure that it's where I want it to be and that the shape is symmetrical after I get the glitter on there, because I'm gonna be having to do a little bit of individual placement too. So I'm just gonna kind of tap and shake some glitter pieces onto here. Okay, see that coverage is pretty sparse. I didn't get a lot of larger glitters, which I want, so that is what I'm going to be hand placing just to make sure I have some of that on there. Clean up around the cuticle here real quick. Okay, I'm just going to use the brush to put more gel base in different areas on top here. I have not cured any of this yet because I want to still be able to straighten it out, make sure that it is symmetrical and even and exactly how I want it before I lock everything in place. Alright, so I've got enough glitters on there that I'm happy now. I'm just going to use either my little water marbling tool here or the pusher end of the scraper end of my cuticle pusher to just kind of make sure that this is nice and straight here. Or curved, I guess, because it's not straight. Okay, I'm going to do a little line here from the tip down, or from the end of that point down to the tip of the nail. I'm just going to do alternating glitters. I'm going to do a small one. Okay, I'm going to make sure that is nice and centered the way I want it, and then we're going to cure that in place. Okay, I'm just going to do a dip or two of clear over this and then activate and file it. Okay, just going to activate and top coat. Alright, and there we go with the finished design. I love this. It's like I have a little piece of jewelry on my nail. That's how it feels. I think it came out super pretty. But yes, let's get to the important stuff here. I mean, of course, the nails are important, but the important stuff being the giveaway. I am going to be having the live on Saturday, January 8th at 8 p.m. Central Time. I will be doing a giveaway of one prize during the live, so one person in the comments will win one of the prizes. There are 10 prizes total, so if you want to enter to win one of the other 9 prizes, just make sure you like this video, comment below, and that you are subscribed to my channel, of course. I will be picking 9 winners from the comments to announce on Saturday during the live, where I will show off what all the prizes are. There are some incredible prizes from some of the brands that I use, some of my favorite brands. I've got Miss Florida Nails, CN Designer Dips, Cascade Colorworks, West Coast Dips, 10x Dina, of course Double Dipped, And then even some skincare stuff. I've got Candy Skincare, decals by Melissa, Chaos Concepts, who makes these things, and the bottle holders. I've got all kinds of amazing things, and the prize that will be won during the live is actually going to be a beautiful set of 24 dip powders. So it's an incredible haul to get. Yes, everything is going to be amazing. I can't wait to show all of the goodies off during the live. I can't wait to see all of you during the live. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask me, feel free to think of them. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you then. So make sure that you like the video, are subscribed to my channel, you comment below, and 9 of those people will win one of my 10 prizes. And the 10th prize, one of the 9 prizes, the 10th prize will be somebody who is with me on that live. So I will see you then.